Hi guys, this is part two of your physics presentation and how you're going to share it with your partners. So today I'm going to show you how you're going to share your keynote presentation with your partners. It's a little different from sharing a Google Slides with your partner, but it is similar. So as you can see here, I have my presentation and I have the more screen open, which is the three dots with the circle around it. We actually don't need that open. Go to the sharing option, which is the little person with the plus, and you're going to add people. Look at your sharing options, which is at the very bottom, and you want to make sure that only people you invite is checked and that the people that you invite can make changes. That's checked. When you are sure that that is checked, go back and then you are going to share your invitation by a certain manner. Okay, so there's a variety of different ways. You can share by copying the link to your presentation. You can share by sending it through mail. But the way that Mr. Hogan and I are going to suggest that you send it by is by sending it by messages. Now, you may remember that your message, or you may know that your messages are not active here at Oak Forest High School, but Mr. Hogan and I have communicated with the technology director and convinced him to turn that back on because I think that that is very useful in this case. So if you look, you might see that your messages is back. If not, um, you can try to download it again and see if it will come back. If not, you can always share by the link and try to do it that way. Okay, so the easiest way to do this, of course, is to share by iMessages. You press messages and then you press who you want to send it to. So I'm going to send this to Mr. Hogan, and then I highlight his name and you press send. And you see that it says starting collaboration. Then as soon as that's finished, you know that everything is done, and you will be able to see that he is invited in the collaboration section. And as soon as he has accepted his collaboration, then he will be highlighted. All right, so once this is successful, Mr. Hogan will be highlighted here. And then also your partners will be able to see this on their Keynote app as well. They will be able to see the presentation there. That's how you know that this has been a successful sharing of your presentation. All right, so this is the end of part two of how you are going to collaborate on your presentation. Okay. All right. Have a good question. Have a good day. If you have questions, please make sure to email Mr. Hogan or myself, Mrs. Harris, and we'll be glad to